Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Expobar espresso machine. It comes to the store like with no pressure, no pumping right and no pressure over there. So when I look at it, I found it also it needs tune up. And when I want to replace the water pump, I found it like welded to the machine. I don't know, for some reason they welded it. So it takes me longer time to take it off, and this elbow also start leaking, so I replace it too and make a deep cleaning for the steam wand, replace the gasket here, the group head gasket with a silicone one, and the shower screen. Let's go ahead and test it and make an espresso shot on it. It's hard a little bit because it's a new one. Gasket, but it's really tight. Let's go ahead and test it and see how the pressure goes to. There you go, it's going up. That's great. It's making a really great shot. Wonderful. With thick crema in the top. Let's test the steamer. And the hot water. Great. That's perfect. So all the functions works perfect, and I'm making really tasty shot. Thank you for watching.